Age is just a number, and youthful skin, beautiful skin, chiseled jawline, fuller cheeks, fuller lips is timeless. The key to anti-aging of full potential skin is Botox and fillers. Botox and fillers help to make you look youthful no matter what is your number. Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Geeta Grewal. I'm a trained cosmetic surgeon. I have done free flaps, skin grafting, reconstructive surgeries, and I have watched all this and got the whole tissues alive, and I know in depth about skincare and skin health, and I've been practicing minimal invasive for more than a decade now, helping my patients look beautiful and pretty. Here I am talking about anti-aging and youthful skin for you guys. So in this video, I'll be talking about Botox, fillers, how they help us achieve the full potential in our skin, how they help us maintain youth forever. A lot of myth around Botox and filler. It's the latest advancement in the science. It is the best marriage of science and art. Basically, that's the whole mystery to giving beautiful result with Botox and fillers, and that's why you see a lot of side effects, because it's not the best marriage that has happened. Today I'll tell you about Botox, what is Botox and why you should do it and why you should avoid overdoing it, and a lot more. If you have any more questions about these treatments, share your experiences, do comment. Don't forget to like and share the video. Let's talk about what is Botox. Botox is a protein. Most of the vaccines are made like this. They are made from bacteria. Botox is also extracted from the bacteria. It has a potential to relax the muscle. It is injected into the hyperactive muscles of the face. FDA approval was given to Botox more than 30 years back, and it has started from crow's feet, that is the wrinkles around the eyes, and that's how the Botox landed up in the cosmetic world, by removing the wrinkles. When injected into the hyperactive muscles of the face, because the hyperactive muscle pull your skin down, they break the collagen of the skin, and they make you add age on the face. When injected in these hyperactive muscle at a perfect dose, they help in relaxing the muscle and help in healing your skin and making you look more youthful, more vibrant, without anybody noticing that you have done anything for the same. As I told you about healthy marriage or a good marriage, the science and art, the combination of science, because yes, the doctor needs to know the scientific, the anatomy of the face, the structures of the face, the depth of the muscle, what is the tone, what is the density of the muscle, how big is the muscle, at what depth they need to place, and what apt dose they need to place in that muscle. So that is the scientific part. The artistic part is where relax and where not to relax, because that is the art part, the artistic part of the face, the artistic part of the beauty. As you know, beauty lies in the eyes of beholder. That's the old Greek phrase which is so timelessly popular, and it is so true even now, because each one of us is unique and each one of us is beautiful, and we need to respect that uniqueness on every face and design the Botox and filler treatment as per the face, so that it is not noticeable, yet it makes the impact of making you look youthful and pleasant. Botox was first started from crow's feet, and now we are doing full face Botox to give that lifting effect. Botox can help in lifting the eyebrows, it can help in relaxing the glabellar lines, it can help in lifting the forehead, it can help in chiseling your nose, it can help make the nose look slimmer, lifting the tip of the nose, it can lift the lip corners, it can chisel your jawline, and it can overall lift your face. I love the lifting effect of the Botox, and I'm sure a lot of us don't know that Botox gives such a beautiful lifting, non-surgical, instant lifting effect to the face, which can push you back by 10 to 15 years. What I don't recommend is overdoing Botox, or usual practice that most of the practitioners or the patients are doing is every 3 months Botox, only when the muscle is very, very hyperactive. and the lines are really deep is when you need to take Botox that frequently. Otherwise, I highly recommend you to do Botox once in a year or once in 8 months. As you do Botox, as you keep adding the treatments, you will see your dose will keep going down. So the myth around Botox that you will be addicted to it and you can't do without it, that is all wrong. Neither do you age faster, nor do you get addicted to Botox. Rather, contrary to this, you start getting better and better once you're on Botox, and your dose of Botox also keeps going down. So over the years, you will need less number of Botox shots to keep your youth intact. Also, the Botox works beautiful around the jawline, as it is popular as Nefertiti lift, and on the platysmal band, also to tuck the angle between the jawline and the neck, because sometimes we get that drop in the jawline and a double chin effect, which can be because of this loose muscle around the neck. So just lifting this muscle around the neck can give you a sharper jawline and a tucked look in the double chin area. So this is another beautiful use of Botox. And also Botox is used for excessive sweating, and it is also used for tightening your pores as a meso Botox or baby Botox. The best age to start Botox is when you start seeing hyperactive muscle, which I have done for the youngest patient, that was around 27-year-old, and the oldest being around 70. So anybody between the spectrum of age can start, and prophylactic starting of Botox is way appreciative because your skin doesn't start breaking down at certain point and starting to have deep etched lines in it. Fillers on the other side are different to Botox because Botox is injected into the muscle, whereas filler is injected into the soft tissue, into the skin in the deeper layer, to reverse the skin texture issues, the aging issues in the skin like collagen loss. All this can be reversed with a filler. Filler is nothing but hyaluronic acid, which is a sugar molecule which has a property of absorbing a lot of water. Once the retention of water is there in skin, the skin looks way youthful, and skin can repair itself. It can build collagen. It can look more plump, more smooth, more glossy, more glowing, more dewy, and more fresh and youthful. So fillers help in achieving a more youthful skin, number one. Number two, filler can give a restructuring to the face by building the deeper support, that is the bone support around the jawline, around the chin area, on the cheek, giving you a high cheekbone. But most of the Indians, we have high cheekbones, so not to overdo in those areas. That's why maintaining the proportion of the face is very, very important, and that's where the artistic part of the filler comes in, where the treating doctor has to be very, artistic to understand that where to place a filler and how much to inject, so that the product is not noticeable yet impactful, giving you a more natural looking, anti-aging and youthful look. A little bit about the side effects that can happen, and most of the side effects are because of the lack of acumen on how to inject, how to place, where to place. Over injection, under injection, and wrong site of injection can give side effects. I have had patients who have had red eye because of after excessive dose of Botox around her eye, and she kept thinking that it was conjunctivitis, and even a lot of eye doctors started treating as a conjunctivitis, but it was actually an overdose of Botox, and none of the antibiotics helped her. But after the Botox weaned off, in 3-4 months, her eye became fine. So these treatments are minor procedures, in OPD procedures, but yet they need full caution, full sterility, full experience of the doctor who's doing, and you have to be very mindful of the doctor who's treating you and the results that you want to look for. Thank you for watching, and I would recommend you share the video with your friends whom you think might benefit from this, and do comment on what you want to know more about the anti-aging treatment. So I will make long videos for you and give you information so that you can make your choices more mindfully and with full confidence.